Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp linguine the only way. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready. Then, we'll perfectly cook the linguine to an al dente finish, just right for absorbing all the delicious sauce. Next, we'll quickly sauté the shrimp until they are tender and juicy, avoiding any overcooking. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly unforgettable meal. Let's get our ingredients ready for this amazing dish. You'll need 1 pound of fresh, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Make sure to mince 3 cloves of garlic very finely to release their full aroma. We'll also chop about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for a vibrant, herbaceous touch. And don't forget 1/2 cup of dry white wine, which will add a wonderful depth of flavor to our sauce. Now let's get cooking. First, boil 8 ounces of linguine in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente. While that's happening, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet. Add your shrimp and sauté them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp, then deglaze the pan with your white wine and minced garlic, scraping up all those flavorful bits. Finally, it's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. Add your perfectly cooked linguine directly into the skillet with the sauce. Return the shrimp to the pan and toss everything gently to combine, ensuring every strand of pasta is coated. Stir in your fresh parsley and a bright squeeze of lemon juice. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, then serve immediately for the ultimate shrimp linguine experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.